Rainforest Cafe. Ta-da! Hey, so Violet and I saw this here and we were like, no way! It's a Rainforest Cafe.
So we really wanted to go there.
So we were gonna come in here and check it out, huh? Do you think they got a gorilla la la la?
Probably.
A gorilla
right there.
la la la. Oh yes. I do see this amazing artwork that they have. The signature tree frog. The Rainforest Cafe tree frog. We'll see him again, I'm sure, inside. He's looking at something. Oh boy, it's about to get tropical in here. Oh, it's kind of misty too. Birds. Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm here with Violet and today we're at the Rainforest Cafe. Are you hungry?
Pretty much.
Pretty hungry, huh? What are you thinking of getting?
Like grilled shrimp or something?
Grilled shrimp does sound delicious, and I'm gonna get a cheeseburger. So let's go in the Rainforest Cafe and check out a gorilla la la la.
Let's go.
Let's do it. It's not gonna move. Doesn't it move?
Hey boys and girls, my name is Tracy Tree. Are you hungry? We have great food. Did you know that our rainforest has its very own sparkling volcano?
Oh boy. Look at this awesomeness. Oh, I see a giant elephant. Do you see the elephants? Oh my goodness, we're right by the elephants. Can you beat that? And there's an elephant right here.
I had a feeling we were going to sit next to an elephant.
Oh really? That is amazing.
I don't know why.
People are celebrating. Oh, I see a gorilla. There he is right there.
Next to the gorilla.
We kind of are sitting next to the gorilla. There he is. He's the star of the show, I think. All right, and the standard jungle food items here.
Maybe I should get this.
I think I'm just gonna go with the standard cheeseburger. Not gonna be able to beat that. So for me, it's probably gonna be somewhere in the cheeseburger items. He's gonna try to grab your shrimp, I think, you know? That's the biggest butterfly I've ever seen. It's gigantic. That's the fish there with the nose. And there's the fish with the nose. What's happening? Violet, what did you do? Did you upset them, Violet?
No.
They're warning us. They're telling us something. It's a signal for Tarzan. There's a storm rolling in here. Oh boy. It's gonna rain on my meal here. Oh boy. Oh boy. The elephants are not happy. They're freaking out. I don't know, it's like the lighting now is a little too crazy with the lighting here. Oh, it's a cheeseburger. My burger's here.
Oh, goodness. Thank you.
All right, there's violet shrimp. Looks pretty tasty. There you go. Less of the color filter on this here, but all right. So just a regular cheeseburger, nothing fancy. I'm sure it's delicious. Violet has just regular fried shrimp. Looks great. Really good. That's a really delicious burger. The elephants agree.
Good.
It was really delicious, huh? I'm gonna eat that coleslaw.
Yep.
I love me some coleslaw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he wants a banana. Get this gorilla a banana. They're ferocious. Whoa, 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 okay. Little tiger. Scared. That gorilla's not moving very much, is he? He's looking up at something. There's another one over here. Oh, there he's moving now. There's another gorilla. There's two gorillas. He's the Cha-Cha. Oh, okay, Cha-Cha is the tree frog. Bomba the gorilla. And Tukey the elephant. It's an anaconda. Anaconda means business. Well, that was the Rainforest Cafe. What'd you think, Violet?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good. I was excited, and they have one of these in Orlando, two of them in Orlando, but we're happy to have one here in Dallas, so come over here and check it out. But anyway, we're gonna head on home. I gotta upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe.
And have the most rockin' day.
And keep on rocking.